Oh, that hurts, that hurts, that hurts.
Now we have reached Mainapi waterfall. Good morning and what's up everyone. After a long time I'm going somewhere with Chirag. So today's plan is to go to Netravali. I have been there only once, but इस बार देखेंगे पानी रहेगा क्या नहीं, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम तो था, अब तो पता नहीं, क्योंकि ये मई का महीना है. तो लेट्स गो. Now we have reached Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. तो ये है. And the roads are very pretty, and if you come in the monsoons then it will be very nice for you all to see the nature. Now it is a little bit of dry because obviously May, तो आपको रोड तो अच्छे मिलेंगे, लेकिन मानसून सीजन में सीनरी भी अच्छे दिखने के लिए मिलेगा आपको. नाउ द टाइमिंग फॉर द वाटरफॉल is at 8:30. Now the time is 8:05, so we'll have to wait for 25 minutes for the gate to open, which they're going to open this. तो हमें रुकना पड़ेगा for 25 minutes for the gate to open. एंट्री फीस तो कुछ बोला नहीं है उन्होंने, लेकिन देखते हैं. और हमारे पास एक फ्रेंड है. हेलो, कर बाबा तू कर, कि जाए ते कर. Now we can find one canteen over here. As there is no range, so GPay will not work, and this is a small canteen which they prepare food and they are going to give, as we are having futi chow and dudato chow. So this is the canteen. Waterfall bata me. This is the canteen, and this is the sitting area. And if you can see over here, we can buy plants from here. 1, 2, 3. In case if you want to go to the washroom, even they are nicely arranged. Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, things prohibited inside the sanctuary as per wildlife protection. So I don't know, for surprisingly even pets are not allowed here. I agree to everything, but I don't know why pets are not allowed. As you enter from there, this is the ticket counter where you have to take the tickets and you have to pay. I'll tell you later on. This is the ticket counter and this is the entrance to go. 100 रुपये ना पूण सावरी वचपा पडटलें न्ही, तेन्ना 100 दिवपा पडटलो. Okay, now a little bit of information over here. If you all are coming, Mainapi and Surla are together. First comes Mainapi, then Surla comes. So Savri. Okay, Savri waterfall comes. So now we are going to Mainapi, as Mainapi is nearby from the entrance, and then comes the Savri waterfall. Per person it is 150 rupees, and if you are taking 4-wheeler, then 100 rupees extra will have to pay. So for now we have kept a 4-wheeler at the entrance, because first we are going to Mainapi, then we are going to go to Savri. Mainapi, Savri straight. Mainapi हां.
आता आम्ही होईतो.
Mainapi. आता Mainapi म्हणता आम्ही.
आम्ही तो गाडी घेऊन येतो.
And this is another gate to go to Mainapi. Our guide of the day, he is taking us to Mainapi. Mr. Bahadur. Now you can see him. Now from the entrance of the gate, he is guiding us. It's been 25 minutes that we are walking. I knew that the trekking was too much for Mainapi, but still, because it was my first time, so I thought of prioritizing Mainapi, then the other waterfall. Now, this table was meant for us to sit. यारे बस चल या तू सगळ्या नाही घातला
चल बस ते
I think we have become old for any trekking. झाला आमचं.
गेले ते दिवस, राहिल्या ते आठवणी.
As you can see over here, we are not able to climb the mountain. आणि झाले आम्ही जाणते झाले. But good to see, even our Bahubali is tired. See, ओय बाहुबली, ओ बाहुबली, झालं रे. चढ 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 चढ, कमान चढ, चल रे, चल 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 मुखार चल. या नहीं बस यार. For now, waterfall is not the happiness. You can see this. This is happiness for now.
Small targets make it big.
अभी तो एक हट मिल गया है. देवा जायना मरा है. फिश जायना रे बहू. Now we have reached a place where there is a small water place and he is having water. Lep 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 lep. धर्म संकट तो अभी चालू हुआ है. Can you see this? Can you see this on top? ये किधर है? तोका होता आम्ही तोका. लोक आसतले ते येवपाचे, पूण मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल विल कम बाय. कोण रे तो? मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल विल कम बाय सफारी, 4-wheeler. Idiot like us will come walking, trekking.
सफारी वयता न्हू.
हय सफारी वता न्ही. तेच हे बर्ड सेंच्युरी आहा खंय मरे. 1 kilometer दाखयता न्ही. Safari is there. Now if you all come climb the hill over here, you will get changing rooms, public toilets which are open 1 2 3 4 5 7 8. And if you all come on this direction, you will find a board over here which says way to Mainapi waterfall. Yeah, udik pine. I think this is a natural water.
निसर्गाचा कुशीत स्वर्ग हा इकडेच आहे. अशा वातावरणामध्ये आपण चालत आल्याने आपल्याला कळतं की स्वर्ग काय आहे. बघा हा पाणी इतकं थंडगार आहे की तुम्हाला फ्रीजचं पाणी पण कमी वाटेल.
ये तो हमें अभी भी फॉलो कर रहा है. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हिम आई हैव गॉट a marigold biscuit. I'll give him when we reach the waterfall. I don't know, but when my friends had come, I don't think so there were roads like this. I thought it was kind of a forest trekking, but I think recently they have done the roads where the safari can come over here. After that, rather than that, nothing is going to come. No two-wheeler, no cycle, no bike, no cars. That's all. Only the wildlife sanctuaries safari. Do's and don'ts for trekking to waterfall. I'm really surprised that washrooms are anyways available, but here soap is also available, dude. कौन रखता है भाई soap waterfall के नज़दीक पे? Good, very good. I'm really surprised that so much of hospitality the government has given us. और आता कोणा? आमकां रावतालो तो वचपाक. The still process is going on from here. I think they're going to put all the bricks like this. So work is still going on in process.
So that going there will be easy.
Yeah, going there will be easy. And as per my information, before it was not like this. As my friends and all had come to Mainapi, they had gone into the forest and all. They had told me before. But now they are building it
properly.
But see the roads. ना रे बाबा. See a hero and see the waterfall. It is worth coming over here. And शिरा किती म्हणता रे आणि
तेरे बिन कहीं लगता ही नहीं दिल.
वो मोगान पडला इसका.
क्या करूं मैं क्या ना करूं है मुश्किल. ऐसे हाल में चैन लेना है.
Now we have reached Mainapi.
काय संडे म्हणा.
Now we are returning back after having bath. It was a really pretty place. A beautiful waterfall, Mainapi waterfall. अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस from going to Mainapi. So we are going to go to the gate now. We'll have some lunch and then we are heading to which waterfall? Savri waterfall. I always get confused with Surla and Savri waterfall. So next is the Savri waterfall. He's being such loyal to us that from the gate to Mainapi he was with us, and after
Even other people were there.
even other people were there, by the way. Okay, after we reached over there, even other people were there. He had the priority to stay over there, but he returned with us to come back to the gate.
That is the importance of priority.
That is the importance of priority. That's why they say dogs loyalty you'll never find anywhere. Okay, we don't know how many kilometers from the gate we have come over here, but it took us 1.5 hours to reach from the main gate. Which gate it is?
Main wildlife sanctuary gate.
Main wildlife sanctuary gate to the Mainapi waterfall. It took us 1.5 hours. अब हो चुका है धर्म संकट इधर, and I got a shoe mark over here, इसलिए थोड़ा झंझट हो रहा है इधर. गाँवटी दवा हो रही है इधर, और हमारा टफ़ी भी रुका है, उसको भी जाना है अभी घर.
Oh, that hurts, that hurts, that hurts. And even this side it is there.
ओके, अब कैसा है? वी हैव रिटर्न फ्रॉम Mainapi waterfall. Now how it is, here the main gate is there. इधर से आना है और आपको मिलेगा A board और A board. Mainapi is left from here, so it is directing from here left. So जो भी ये रूट है आपको लेके जाएगा Mainapi waterfall, but you cannot take 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler. You'll have to park over here. So you cannot take 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler inside the forest. You'll have to park it outside, then go trekking if you want. If you want to take safari, then it is 400 rupees plus GST. कितना है? हाँ, we'll see about the GST. We'll see about the amount of money they charge. कितना पड़ रहा था? Now we have reached the canteen over here, and it looks something like this. There is a wash basin, and this is the entrance. अब मैंने ऑर्डर किया है वेज थाली, एंड ही हैज़ ऑर्डर्ड बांगड़ा थाली. आई एम हंग्री राइट नाउ. सो आफ्टर द नेक्स्ट प्लान इज़ टू गो टू द Savri waterfall, and the major thing of today is I have forgotten my cap on top over there in Mainapi. So while washing my face, now this is the veg thali which we got. बहुत सारा pickle, पापड़, भेंडी भाजी, सलाड, बटाटा सो, कापो, राईस, भाजी आणि सांबार. आणि और झालं चिकन, नुसते झालं आहे पिकल, भेंडी भाजी, सलाड, राईस. वाट जेवण कसं आहे?
जेवण बेस्ट आहे न्ही, घरगुती फूल सारखे परफेक्ट जेवण जाय तशें.
And even I like the bhendi bhaji and the roast, chana roast. It was amazing. Thank you. Okay, now as you all can see, this is Savri waterfall, which is 4 kilometers, and Mainapi was 5 kilometers. That means the trekking of our destination from the gate to Mainapi waterfall was 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers up, 5 kilometers down. So 10 kilometers total. Now we are going to Savri waterfall. अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं and this is a road we came from here and we have parked our vehicles over here and there are few people who have already gone to Savri waterfall and this is the entrance over there. और बाय द वे आप देख रहे हो कैप मेरा मुझे मिल गया. Okay, as you all can see over here, I got my cap back and I requested the forest officers to get my cap, so they got the cap back. So done, mission successful. So left जाएंगे. ये रे बहू. This is the first look of Savri waterfall. Now we have reached the Savri waterfall and there are many people over here, as you all can see. So we'll not be getting inside, we are just here to see and we are going to leave from here. And as you all know, we are introvert people, so we left from there and there were many people, so that was the reason to leave. And more people adding, तो हम इधर से निकल रहे हैं टू सावर डैम. चलो चलते हैं. Now we have reached strawberry farm. We have just come here to see where it is. I'm sure that there will be no strawberries because this is off season. तो ये हम जा रहे हैं और हमने पार्क किया है उधर कार. I didn't want to take the car off roading, तो हम जा रहे हैं वॉकिंग इधर से इतनी गर्मी धूप में. ओए now this is the strawberry plantation. आ रहा तू? हाँ त्यांना विचारलं नाही हांवेन कसलं. त्यांनाच विचारलं हांवेन. मेळ हा सकयल न्ही गाडी हांगा अशें. Now I have stopped over here and this is an amazing place. See the roads over here, right and left, all greenery and in between the roads. देखने की बात ये नहीं है, देखने की बात तो ये है ओमनी. देखो दिस इज ओमनी ओवर हियर एंड दे हैव डन दिस juice machine over here. So now we are going to say goodbye to Chirag. Bye, see ya. Bye. Now I have reached home and I feel tired because of the trekking and I'll have to end the vlog over here. So मैं इधर vlog end करता हूँ और मिलते हैं next video में. Subscribe, like and share.